Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're making Mexican street corn. Man, this stuff is the perfect side or a delicious snack. You're going to take your corn on the cob, you're going to air fry it so it gets a little char on it, makes it tender. Then we're going to pour over some garlic butter with lime, and then top it off with some cilantro. Man, this is a good one. So are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. Alright, let's start off by hitting the air crisp, and we're going to go ahead and preheat it for 5 minutes. Make sure you put your crisper basket in. Now that your foodie's preheated, let's go ahead and take our corn, put it right in the basket, hit it with a little Pam. Do the same with the other piece. Just kind of roll it over and get the Pam all over it. Now we're going to air crisp at 400 for 14 minutes, but after 7 minutes, let's give it a little turn, okay? All right, it's been 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn the corn. See how it's already getting a little char on there? It's going to be good. Go. Now let's cook them for another 7 minutes. So while you're waiting for that corn to cook, go ahead and get you a bowl, microwave safe of course. Put 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of lime zest. Now we're going to get the juice out of it, then we're going to stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and when the corn's done, we're going to pour it over the top, and we're going to top it with some chopped cilantro. Take that lime, stick a fork in it, and squeeze out all that delicious lime juice. Alright, we have about a minute left. Let's go ahead and throw that butter, lime zest, lime, and garlic into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Alright, it's now been air fried for 14 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at this. Check this out. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, let's take the corn out. Be careful. It is going to be hot. Now that you have your corn out, look at that nice little char on there. Take out that butter mixture that we had in the microwave. And now we're just going to pour it right over the top of this corn. Get the garlic and the butter and the lime and the zest. Gonna be good. Now take a little of that fresh cilantro and put it right over the top. Doesn't that look delicious? Now there's just one thing left to do. Can you guess what that is? Try it! I guess there's no clean way to do this, so I'm just going to pick it up. I'm going to roll it, get all that garlic and butter and cilantro all around it. And I'm going to go for that little charred area. The corn is super tender and you get the butteriness from it all. But you know what it needs? Some salt and pepper. Roll that corn around in that mixture again. Now let's take another bite out of it. Salt is exactly what it needed. You get the super tenderness and sweetness from the corn, the butter, the salt, you get the lime zest, and then the cilantro. Man, that is delicious. Great side. Heck, I just make it, just eat it just like this. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Let's eat.